Hi, fourth graders. Join me in reading the book Waves, Physical Science for Kids, written by Andy Dien and illustrated by Shululu. Waves. Waves in water, waves in wheat, waves at a game, stand up, take a seat. Waves in your hair, waves with your hand, powerful waves under the land. Make waves in a string, then stretch it taut. Waves are everywhere, whether we see them or not. A wave is a way of saying hello. Where else can you find waves? Swimming in the ocean is fun and salty. What happens when a wave comes? You might find yourself upside down and downside up. You can find waves in oceans, lakes, ponds, and even puddles. Watch out for the big ones. If you float on your back in a pond, do the waves move you to the shore? After a long time they might, but water in a wave isn't moving across the pond. Water in a wave is moving up and down, up and down. Waves happen because of energy. Energy is an invisible force that travels as a wave. When you see waves in water, it's the energy that's moving toward the shore, not the water. Have you ever watched a cat play with a dangling string? What happens when the cat catches a string, pulls and lets it go? Waves. This is something you can also try at home. Have you ever been to a baseball game? The people watching the game make a giant wave with their bodies. Around and around goes a human wave. The people aren't moving anywhere except up and down. Their up and down motion creates a wave. When the wind blows, waves move across a field of wheat. Does the wheat move its roots? No. Every stalk of wheat stands in place. Just the top part moves back and forth, back and forth. Flags from different countries wave in the breeze. Can you find the flag for your country? Here it is. Have you ever jumped on a trampoline? If you could draw the motion of your jumps, what would that look like on paper? You'd find waves on your paper. You might not be able to see the waves in the air as you jump, but the motion you are making is drawing waves as you move. There are lots of invisible waves in the air. You can't see them, but they're all around you. A wave is how light moves through the air. Light travels in waves from the sun to the planet Earth. We can't see the waves, but we can see the light. This is light energy traveling in the form of a wave. Do you ever cook food in a microwave? Do you ever talk to someone on a cell phone? Do you ever listen to a radio? Microwaves, cell phones, and radios all use waves. These are more invisible waves made of energy. Hello, says Mom on the phone. Remember to do your homework. You can hear her because of waves. Sound moves in waves too. When a dog barks, the sound of the bark spreads through the air in waves. When the waves reach your ears, you can hear the sounds. What other sounds do you hear? Have you ever felt an earthquake? The earth feels like a wave is passing through it, and that's exactly what is happening. Invisible waves move through the ground and make it rumbly. This is energy moving through the earth. Just like waves going through water, waves going through dirt don't make the dirt move very far. The land goes up and down, up and down, up and down, but the earth doesn't move to a different address. A wave is a way of saying goodbye. Goodbye. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story.